All right, guys, it's Prime Deals Day. So I wanted to show you guys some tools that I saw on here that I thought were a pretty good buy. And if you haven't already checked it out, it's really hard to find their tools. For some reason, Amazon, if you're watching, which you're probably not, I know, I can't think of the owner's name. This is going to be a down and dirty video. There's not going to be a lot of editing. I'm just going to put it out there. So you're going to see me there may be a few editing things. Like I got to take off the very beginning. But now I'm trying to figure out, where do you find tools? There's not even a tool section. So I think I found it way down here. Right here. Home and DIY. So if you go there, then it just gives you, look at all this crap. Like I'm looking for tools. I got to look at coffee makers and stuff. So you go to the side over here. Tools and home improvement. You click on that. Then they still got cameras in there. You got to break it down again. Where did I see it at? Power in hand tools. So that's what you got to do if you want to see the tools. Now look, they got some pretty good DeWalt deals right now. This is the 20 volt max, that multi-tool, 56% off. Let's click on it. So it's only $119 right now. If you got the 20 volt max, I don't know what you got, which is pretty good. It says it's regularly $269. Now I have this thing over here, this Honey. It's a little, I don't know what you call them, little app things that you add to your browser. But this will actually show you the actual price history. So you can click on this and you can see it is regularly $176. It was lower a little bit last year, but you can see where it's dipping down and up. But so the deal right now, $119, is pretty good. It's a legitimate deal. So I want one of these. I really want one of these Bosch router tops. I really like them. That's not a good enough deal for me right now. Do better, Bosch. You can do better. I'm a little bit more swole than Joey Swoles, if you guys know who that is. I'm swollen in a different way, though. So this one, I mean, it's $211. That's still a pretty good price, but kind of looks like a kid's thing. But I've seen people use these. This thing looks pretty good. I've seen a lot of good reviews on this. You see, it's got a 4.5 out of 7,000. So, but I don't think the price is quite there for me yet, and it's probably because it's still a popular item. So let me go back. I saw this, the Win 9-inch bandsaw, 32% off. Win is a good brand. My sander, my benchtop sander is a Win, and it works pretty good. I have that one, and I have a Ryobi one, and it works pretty good. I got Win rollers; they work pretty good. Anything I've bought that's been Win, my table saw sits on some rollers, and those are made by Win. It's an adjustable rolling thing. Pretty good stuff. I liked anything I've used by Win. It's like another Ryobi brand, but in some ways I think they're better. Like my benchtop sander is better. Let me get out of here again. Here's the benchtop sander. That's on sale. You guys, I'm always showing you my benchtop sander, how great it is. I may even buy another one. I don't know. I got too many other things. You can see my card over here. I want an Apple Watch. Because mine's really old and I use it for recording and stuff. I use it for actually making videos. So I might get a new Apple Watch. If I get that, I'm not getting anything else. But if not, I might get a new benchtop sander because mine's making a lot of noises. Let's get out of here. This is another thing I've been keeping my eye on. This is 22% off. This is the big one. You got to watch when you look at these. See, this is 4 foot by 8 foot. So this could put a full sheet on it. This expands. I don't know if you've seen these, and this is an actual, you see it's an actual price drop. But this thing expands. You just put it in the corner, look at the weight it can hold. So if you haven't seen these before, they just expand. You can put them in the corner, and if you need a benchtop table real quick, you see this guy? Looks a little bit like a thinner version of me. You just take it out of the corner. Look at all the weight it can carry. But also, there's tops you can buy for it. But you got to watch because you just put it wherever you want. And with my small garage, it'd be nice to have an extra bench because whenever I set up in my other garage, I got to get out these big sawhorses that I got and then put plywood on them. Where it'd be nice if I could just throw this out there. And they also come with these tops like that. And it's got the bench dog holes or whatever you call those things. So that's pretty cool. I want to get one of these, but and that's a pretty good price. But like I said, if I get the Apple Watch, I'm not getting anything else because the Apple Watch is too much. Look at these DeWalt drill bits. Well, here's another thing. I got this little, it's honey. It's free. I don't pay anything for that. Sometimes they give you some crap like that. You see how it says you'll save $8.99 at this store. So you click compare prices. And it shows you what the price is at different stores. Amazon's the cheapest. So I don't know why it was telling me I'd save $8.99. But you can do it across 5 stores. And then you come down here. And you see Amazon is still the cheapest. It's showing you Lowe's, Ace Hardware, which is the highest. Ace tends to be a little bit higher. Lowe's always is a little bit higher, in my opinion, than Home Depot. And it all depends on what the stuff is. But see, Home Depot is $23. So this is even cheaper than Home Depot. So let's get out of here. I saw this knife sharpener, 15% off. I've been watching a lot of stuff on knife sharpeners. I got one, but it's really old. It's wore out now. This right here. You see these? I use these. I don't know if it's the same ones. It's not this. Mine doesn't say Royers on them. But see, it's a limited time deal. It's saying it's 50% off. But look, I got this honey thing. It is not 50% off. You can go to the price history. Oh, you know what? Maybe it is 50% off. But it's been this low since July 7th. So this isn't really a prime deals thing. Because today's already the 16th. So it must come up and down. This is only showing me July last 30 days. Let's see. Last 120 days. So it did come down. It started coming down back in June. And now it's down to here. So some stuff you can see, they're trying to trick you. That's what I like about this. They're like, oh, it's on sale. But they really just... There's another thing that I saw. It's an ice bath. I wanted to do the ice bath. A lot of people are... talking about that, and it said it was 90% off, down to $99, regularly $999. Here's another skill one. I don't know if I showed this earlier, but this one's 25% off, and it's only $149. I don't like this one as much. I have a skill bandsaw. So they also have DeWalt 20 volt max router on sale. So it's like a small kit. You get the router and you get the if you're into the 20 volt max DeWalt. I don't have that. I was trying to decide between this and the Milwaukee, and I went to the Milwaukee because I needed to upgrade. I had the old DeWalt system and it was getting really old. I dropped the drill a bunch of times. It was breaking. The batteries weren't holding the charges long. So when I updated, I went with Milwaukee instead of DeWalt. Let me know in the comments whatever you think is better. They got the Craig pocket hole jig on sale, 34% off. That's a really good deal. If you need a compressor, 23% off. And like I said, I would try to use this honey thing or something like that. I know they have other ones. I don't know if I wouldn't get any Craftsman stuff just because I'm not going for another. I don't need any more batteries. I already have a Milwaukee battery. I got Ryobi batteries, and I got what's the other battery I got? I got another battery down there too. Milwaukee. I still have my DeWalt stuff, but I don't really plug them in anymore. Makita. I got a Makita battery. So you see they got toolkits on sale. They got compressors. They have a bunch of miter saws if you need a miter saw. They have a bunch of these toolboxes. Walmart actually has a 2-pack of these toolboxes. Let me see what these are. These are still $32. Walmart has, I mean, it's the Walmart brand, but it doesn't have a handle on top, but it's 2 of them that snap together, and they're only like 14 bucks right now. I really want, I think I showed you this already, the benchtop drill press. See, the one I have of the Walmart tool thing I have is like this DeWalt one. It has all the compartments inside. You can move them around. If anybody needs a pink tool kit, not judging here, but there's a lot of drill bits, 30% off. See, I have the sawhorses like this, sort of like this. If you're looking for a dust collection, there's a Wen dust collector, 31% off. You want to see the price of it? It is $151 right now. Let's see what, oh, honey's not popping up for me. Did I close it all the way out? There it goes. It doesn't say. I don't want that. I want to see price drop. So they may be lying. There might not be a price drop because it's showing. Oh, no, there was a price drop. Okay. So, yeah. So theirs really is on sale. Okay. Did it make me start back at the top? No, but it looks like it moves stuff around again. It moves stuff around when you go in and out of it sometimes, and then you don't know what you saw and what you haven't. I got a DeWalt backpack. If you're into backpacks, that's a good deal on this air hose thing, 41% off. Here's a scroll saw. It's by Win. If you need a scroll saw, so here's a good place if you're looking for tools. But not only do they have deals here because Amazon's having Prime Day. Lowe's is having a bunch of sales. Home Depot's having a bunch of sales. So if you're looking for a tool, I'm not the type to know, like, is this the cheapest it's ever been? I don't know. That's why I use that Honey app. And I'm not, like, sponsoring Honey or anything. I just use it. I don't know if they even do sponsor stuff. I just use it. It's pretty convenient. So you can see there's a sprayer if you need a sandblaster, 49% off. And a compressor right next to it. Earlier I saw, and I don't know if it went off the deals already or if it's all been purchased or if it's out of stock. I saw a whole DeWalt 20-volt kit that was on sale. If you're looking for a DeWalt 20-volt kit, that's why I came back up to the top. I don't see any of that DeWalt stuff anymore. I don't know if it came off already, but there you have it. If you're looking for stuff, there's some stuff on Amazon right now for their Prime Day sales. There's some pretty decent prices. Here's a benchtop vise if you're looking for one. A benchtop mortiser. How much is that? It's 37% off. $8.49. I think these are cool. I've never tried one, but I would like to get one. Okay, so there you have it. There's the deals for today. There's a lot more that's going to be changing every day. If you like this, let me know. Maybe I'll do another one tomorrow and have it a little bit more better than this. I wasn't real prepared on this. This was kind of a last minute thing I was doing. I was looking through for myself, and I thought, hey, maybe some of my subscribers would like to see that there's a lot of deals out there since we've been talking about cheap tools lately and how to get them. So let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.